Hello, AP Computer Science A students. 19 days and counting, so let's get this day started. Question of the day. Recursive methods are methods that call themselves. True or false? Our new unit that we're starting today, Unit 10, is on recursion. And this statement about recursive methods is true. Recursion occurs when a thing is defined in terms of itself or of its type. Recursion is used in a variety of disciplines, ranging from linguistics to logic. The most common application of recursion is in mathematics and computer science, where a method being defined is applied within its own definition. You know a method is a recursive method if you see the name of the method inside the body of itself. Make sure you go over to It's Learning, find question of the day for April 28th, and mark true. Our assignments for April 28th is to watch the daily overview video and complete question of the day. And then I want you to read and watch the section of Unit 10 on the Matryoshka doll, and then complete question for thought 10.1. And then I will leave you with a little quote from Eleanor Roosevelt. Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people. Have a wonderful day.